To be honest, I'm not sure if it was designed to work like this, but since it's related to privacy, I think everyone should be aware of it. In today's video, I'll show you how the Power-up works, what the problem is, and how to avoid it. First, we have to install the Power-up. Let's go to Power-ups and look for the Evernote Power-up. Just search for it and add the Power-up. Next, we have to authorize the connection. Okay, let's go back to the board and create a new card. Now we have the Evernote option here, and I can attach a note. Let's look for subscribe. By the way, if you enjoy what I do here, subscribe to the channel. And here's the note. And if I click here, I open the note. But as you can see here, this is the web version of the note, and this is precisely where the problem lies. If we go back to Evernote, to that note, you see that the Power-up converted that note into a public note. Take a look at the shareable link toggle. It's enabled. So now this is a public note. Of course, you can disable it. As you can see here, if I click on that attachment, I now get a note not found because it's a private note. But this is not going to fix the problem because every time you share a new note, the Power-up will convert that note into a public note. Some of my clients see this as a feature. They like the fact that they can take meeting notes on Evernote, share that note on a Trello board, and they don't have to do anything. Everyone that has access to the board will be able to click on that link and see the note. The problem here is that anyone with that link will be able to see the note. In my opinion, it should work like the Google Drive Power-up. When we want a file or folder to be shared, we have to share it on Google Drive. So let's take a look on how to only share private notes on Trello. What I'm going to do is disable this Power-up. So let's go back to that note, copy the app link, go back to Trello, click on attachment, paste it here. Let's give this a name. Attach it. We have a simple link to an Evernote note. Now you'll notice something different. When we click here, we are opening the app. We're not opening a web page. And as you can see, the note is not shared anymore. It's only you. Anyone on that Trello board will be able to see the link. Anyone will be able to click on it, but they won't be able to see the note. But of course, you can still share that note with specific people. All you have to do is go to the note and use the share option. If you found this information helpful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you soon.